Have you seen those videos where people are telling you, whether it's business gurus or just marketers, and they're constantly mentioning the fact that we need an email list. You need an email list. Build your email list. You know, the money's in your email list. And so as a beginner, you're thinking, oh my gosh, I need to build an email list. What am I doing? And although it is true, we should have an email list. As a beginner, when you're starting out, whether it's on YouTube, building whatever business you're building, and you have zero to, a little bit of capital, you should not build an email list. And I'm going to share with you why. This is what happened to me. When I was starting to build my email list, I was starting on ConvertKit. It's no longer called ConvertKit. It's called Kit. So I'm like, I was super excited. I was like, you know what? Yeah, let me pay the yearly fee, whatever. Spoke to my husband. Everything was good. So I'm here creating, what do you call that? Lead magnets. And I'm creating all these like free products. And, I'm here, I'm excited. People are signing up. People are downloading the ebooks and just the materials and all this stuff. So I'm like, oh my God, that's great. So I'm like, I'm seeing the numbers on my email list increase. So I saw, 50 and then 99 and I'm like 120 and then 300. And then my husband calls me on the phone and tells me, babe, why do we have a $500 charge? And I'm like, $500? What do you mean, $500? They just charge our credit card $500. What's going on? Blah, blah, blah. And I'm like, wait a second. What's the company? Like, what does it say? Kit. So I'm like, oh my gosh. I had completely forgotten because I'm busy creating content. I'm busy creating lead magnets and just good, valuable information, ebooks, and all this stuff that I want to give my audience away for free. And all along, I completely forgot. Mind you, I'm new to this whole email marketing. I had completely forgotten that you pay per the number of subscribers. And yes, that's on me. I got it. I understand. But as you're coming into this new and you're just focused on the business, the content creation, and if you're a one-woman show like myself, I do it all by myself, for now. I do it all. I take care of my kids. I homeschool. I cook. I clean. I wash clothes. I do the research for my content. I produce the content. I even have an ideation process that I do with my husband and my kids, or I'm constantly asking my kids, guys, what do you need about, what do you think about this? And my son actually has a YouTube channel, which I'm going to go ahead and put the link up above. And he actually helps me and gives me ideas as to the type of content that I should create based on what he knows about me. Anywho, yes, it was my fault, but at the same time, a lot of these gurus and people who tell you to build an email list, they're not telling you, like, okay, you should build an email list, but in the beginning, if you have little to zero, like dollars to invest, $500 in your email list, $1,000 in your email list. So it's like, if you don't have that, you should look for either cheaper options. They should provide cheaper options, or they should just be real. You should not be investing in an email list at the beginning if you don't have any money. If you're coming into YouTube and you're fresh, you're new, you're broke, you shouldn't be building an email list unless it's completely for free. And I was thinking, I'm like, you know what? At that moment, I was like, okay, I have to cancel my Kit, what do you call that? The email membership or whatever. And I have to look for other options. And I did find another option. Before I found that, I looked into MailChimp again, and I'm like, okay, how much is MailChimp? MailChimp has changed from 2 years ago that I actually looked into it. And I found one that I found it's the most affordable, and I want to share it with you guys. So if you're thinking of building an email list, I think this is the best option. This is the one that I'm going to look into further because it looks like it's the most affordable. But I do believe that if you are starting out, I think that you need to focus more on mastering your craft, your skills, learning how to speak in front of the camera, gaining that confidence that you need. Like, there are other components that you need to focus on. And if you do have the funds to spend, $1,000 on your email list or $1,500 or whatever, then hey, go for it. ConvertKit, or well, I should say Kit, it's a great, I love the platform. I love the software. I loved it. But for now, I'm going to look into one that I think, I want to, you know what, as a matter of fact, I'm going to share that with you. Let me go to my home office space, and I'm going to share with you on the screen what I found, the company that I found. And I want to share with you like the amount, how much you pay per month based on the subscriber count and things like that. Let's go and check that out. One of the affordable options that I found was Brevo. And as you can see here, these prices are extremely affordable. However, as I was searching, and this is monthly, if you do the yearly and you pay yearly, it's $8 a month. But obviously you would pay it yearly, so you get like a 10% off. Now, while I was searching, because I was searching for Brevo, and then it said alternative to Brevo, and I just found this like right now. It's called Email Octopus. I don't know a lot about this one, this email marketing platform, but I found it and I'm like, wait, this seems very interesting. If you notice here, the free version allows you to have up to 2,500 subscribers and 10,000 emails per month. That is not bad at all. And then this one right here, it's $9 a month, 500 subscribers, 10,000 emails. That's the pro version. But what's interesting is, well, for example, if you have, let's say, 5,000 subscribers on your email list, 5,000, you get to pay $28. That's nothing. That's exactly what I spent on a little trip to Starbucks for me and my kids. So I think that this is pretty affordable too. I'm like surprised. I actually, as soon as I'm done with this video, I'm going to start searching, just start looking into this Email Octopus. It seems pretty good. Now, I also know of this other one. This is the third option. It's called MailerLite. And as you can see here, the prices, it's free for up to 1,000 subscribers. Not bad. And then for the growing business, it's $9 a month. And it's, let's see, 500 subscribers. But you have 3 user seats. You can sell digital products with this one, dynamic emails, unlimited templates. Let me know if you guys want me to do a little tutorial on one of these, whether it's Email Octopus, which I really want to look into this further because I think this is great, MailerLite and Brevo. Let me know what your thoughts are and if you would like to learn a little bit about email marketing and how to start your email list and so on and so forth, and which option would be good for you. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any comments down below, if you have a similar experience to mine, I felt like an idiot. Because I'm like, I should have known, but I had gotten ConvertKit a long time ago. So, and I had it already since 2023, and it's an experience and I learned from it. So let me know in your comments down below if you have had a similar experience, if maybe you can recommend an email marketing platform that has worked well for you. I'm open to that as well. I will see you on the next video. God bless.